friends, welcome back to Creative Unique Treasures. My name is Trisha and my husband's name is
Jeff.
On our channel,
Jeff.
and I love to recreate what someone may think is ready for the trash into a unique treasure. If this is something that you are interested in,
Jeff.
and I would appreciate you subscribing, sharing, and leaving a comment. That way you will be notified whenever we upload a new video. We so appreciate you taking your time and sharing it with us. Blessings, and thank you for watching. Hi friends, it's me, Trisha. Thanks for joining me on our channel, Creative Unique Treasures. And what I got going on here, I got a bunch of pictures of our booth that we got out at the farmhouse, 310 South Broad Street in Holly, Michigan. If you're local, come on out and check it out. There's over 50 vendors, 8,500 square foot in the building. We have a couple upstairs also. And in my booth, I got a lot of new things in there, like them owls right there. The trees, Jeff made the owls and the trees, and I got the stools right there, the bar stools. I got them in there this time, and this is a new booth, and all these bird houses up here. And here we go with all of our smalls. We got some Christmas trees, we got the mason jars, we got a whole bunch of different stuff, and our booth is very packed. I even have some dresses, beautiful dresses for Christmas for anybody. There's the purple dresser. And yeah, if you can make it out there, there's the picture frame, the pink picture frame that we did on the last channel. And there's a big picture of the whole thing. There's a lot to see in there. There's a lot to see that we've been doing. So I thank you so much for subscribing, and I hope that you're having a wonderful day. God bless you.